Top 5 Best Grow Lights for Succulents. EZORKAS Grow Lights for Succulents. Pros: multi-purpose. It has up to 3 dimmable modes, work automatically. Acid, easy to use, powerful clips. Does not come out easily. Cons: it flickers if not correctly mounted to a power source, not certified by electrical bodies. LEOTER Grow Lights for Succulents. Pros: it comes featuring heat sink, which helps to dissipate heat. 4 headlights can be maneuvered to face any direction. It comes with a strong metal clamp that lets you position it anywhere. A circular memory timer saves you the hassle of manual work. It produces visible light. Cons: it can be relatively costly. Some people claim the timer may not be very accurate. Rolleandro Grow Lights for Succulents. Pros: wide range of uses. It comes with a reliable warranty. It's easy to fix and position. Excellent heat dissipation. Justifiable pricing. Cons: warranty condition can be hard to claim. No free shipping. ANKACE Grow Lights for Succulents. Pros: ease to use. No skills needed to assemble. 3 switch modes. It is highly adjustable. It comes with up to 5 dimmable modes. High energy efficient. Cons: no free shipping. Some people complain it's exaggerated. Juhefa Grow Lights for Succulents. Pros: highly flexible, adjustable brightness. More color options for lights, sunlight, purple, and a mixture of both. Includes an automatic timer. Boost plants throughout all the stages of growth. Cons: the timer may not be so accurate. Their customer care desk is hard to reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.